Wow.
This? Book?
Yeah.
Come. Come. One man, 3 person.
If this is business, you should tell me this.
Wow. Welcome.
Here?
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Handsome. You're handsome. What's your name?
My name is Jerusalem.
Huh?
Jerusalem.
Jerusalem.
Like the country people.
Yes. Because a lot of wow.
It's good.
Wow. Very big, huh?
Was the speed,
Yeah.
the speed.
Yeah. Coming.
You like it? This the speed.
My.
The speed one and only.
Oh, nice.
right.
Okay. Wow. This is the first one.
You like the speed?
Yeah, of course. Very nice
Very
food.
nice. Wait in the
Yeah.
the time in the wait.
Okay.
The speed.
Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Show me. Dangerous, huh? Which one is White Island? Just this one. Yes.
Fish.
Yeah.
Fish.
Fish here?
This is stand. You are in the stand.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, good idea.
Hey, you are in the stand.
Hello. I like Tinkomali.
Welcome.
I like Sri Lanka. I like his two friends. He said I am lucky man because here no foreigner come here, right? You lucky man, no one has come to this place before you are the first. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, go. Now we go to Black Island. Black Island to fish squid.
Near as well. Near as well.
After 15 minutes, we still just near the White Island. The wind strong. Okay, I see.
Please wait. பாடம். This food.
Nice. Handsome man.
This man, I am bought in the new engine man.
Am I professional? Okay, we are arriving Black Island. Black Island more fish than White Island, right?
The more there in the snow, only the photography. This good.
This good for fishing.
Maram. This in the maram.
Warang.
Garden.
Garden.
This in the garden.
Okay. Yeah, really beautiful. Okay, finally we arrive Black Island. Then we will catch a lot of seafood here, right?
Oh, put one. Inna alra ni. Where na going? Come.
Thank you, man. Wow, beautiful place, huh?
This.
Huh? Oh yeah, it's an oyster.
Oh, this.
Wow.
Wait. Wow.
Wow.
Wait. The chicken. Chicken. No, this good. This good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I like it. This. I like it.
Yeah.
Good. Super taste.
Okay.
தண்ணி கொஞ்சம் குடிக்கும்.
What's oyster? So many. Ooh. Oh, be careful your finger. Yeah, beautiful.
Super good food.
Okay, I try.
Wow, super. Good. The beef, no. Chicken, no. This, good.
Yeah.
This is my garden.
Interesting, huh?
This I am garden. Island garden.
Yeah, nice. Your secret garden. Huh?
Yes.
You know secret? Means no one know, only you. Only you and your friend.
Come, friend, come. You are sick, come. Rest.
Rest time.
The time is the rest.
Okay, then fishing.
Time, come.
Then later fish the...
Rest, finish fishing.
Okay.
Come. Hello, I am in the garden. Wow, fun, only fun. Come,
Yeah.
come. Come, friend, sit. Sit, no problem, sit.
Let me attend your sacred garden.
My name is Sandran. Welcome your subscriber.
Huh?
Come to your subscribe all. Come Sri Lanka.
And visit your sacred garden.
This garden.
Yeah.
Today night party.
Okay.
No drinking, no smoking, only food.
Okay. Okay.
Come. Yeah. Wait. Okay.
Hello. Yo. Hey, brother.
Yes, brother. How is the travel?
It's okay. Just today's weather not good, but this is the reality. So then he said he will go fishing the same thing. Tomorrow I follow him again.
One man, 3,000, two men, 6,000.
இப்போ நான் கதைக்கல நடந்த விஷயத்தை கதைப்போம் சரி ஓகே he is asking for each 3,000 rupees because it's hard work to take you from all the way with this wind is
சொல்ல இதுவரை யாரும் போகாத கனவா
If you charge money, you should tell me this is
சூர மீன்
yeah
Right.
but I didn't know anything about they didn't ask me anything before
Yeah.
if they could ask me before that we can negotiate or we can say yes or no
Yeah, of course. This is the
Yeah.
truth.
சரி அது 2000 வாங்கிட்டாங்க நான் போறோம் கைக்கு வரணும் குளிக்க போறோம்
2000 okay they agree
நோ ப்ராப்ளம்